I'm Walter Rostan Garcia Jr., CTO of Devtac. Devtac is a digital transformation agency who has been providing services to the Philippine market for over 10 years. We are one of the Zoho premium partner here in the Philippines who has provided services to small, medium, and large enterprises. So as a business owner, we were using several different softwares to run certain aspect of the business. So from your HR, to your finance, to your sales and marketing, to your development team, each of these department utilizes different softwares provided and supplied by different vendors. I was having a lot of troubles or problems managing this. So this is when I found Zoho One. So when I learned that Zoho One is able to provide me all of these platforms, Zoho Mail, Zoho Campaigns, Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, Zoho Sales IQ, Zoho Analytics, Zoho Project, Zoho People and Recruit, everything here in Devtac is run under Zoho One. So we started with migrating our CRM from an open source CRM to Zoho CRM, which we love because the UI was very streamlined.
Zoho CRM has streamlined our lead acquisition to conversion. We track leads from different sources. So that includes marketing, email, doing SEO with our website. So all of these are being funneled into our CRM in our leads module. So this ensures that no leads lost.
We set up key automations to simplify the daily tasks. Workflows help departments be notified of their next steps.
For example, setting the criteria and the minimum requirements of fields that these salespeople has to fill up before they proceed to the next stage.
These automations streamline the sales process, ensuring a seamless flow from lead generation to payment collection.
The previous accounting application that we were using was QuickBooks. It's not as user-friendly as Zoho Books. That's what made us switch to Zoho Books. Zoho Books is user-friendly interface and also invoice generating feature, which helps us with our collectibles and receivables, and also for the expense tracking feature, which helps us with our expense reconciliation.
So we integrated the Zoho Sign to speed up their local purchase approvals. Our upload to Zoho Sign for approval by 4 key signatories such as the purchaser, requestor, finance, and department head. This automation eliminated delays, making the approval process faster and more efficient. Zoho projects made a big difference in productivity and teamwork. Teams could easily track tasks, milestones, keeping projects organized and on schedule. Budget tracking helped them stay on top of expenses, collaboration smoother, and boosted efficiency across the board.
Before using Sales IQ, we were actually handling 10, at best 20 inquiries per day. After Sales IQ, we were actually able to answer at least 30 to 60 inquiries per day because the chatbots actually answers the common questions, and then it is only routed to us when needed for human input.
Zoho Desk tickets are automatically assigned to agents, so we are able to really keep track on the progress of the tickets. Other agents can also handle the tickets since the progress and the notes are already in the tickets themselves. With Zia, we have noticed that it can be utilized to predict the fields and then also analyze the tones from the customer. So we're already in the process of revamping our Zoho Desk processes to ensure that we will be utilizing Zia more in our process in standard support.
With the integration between the calendar and then the Zoho Mail, we can easily view our team's schedules without confusion. Schedule a meeting through Zoho Meeting right away, just one click. And it syncs to all of our calendar, so everyone is actually notified and definitely know that you have scheduled meeting for this specific client.
Utilizing Zoho Recruit, it gives us visibility and hire candidates within a shorter span of time. I could say that we hire candidates within 2 days or 3 days in comparison to the weeks that we spend previously without Zoho Recruit. The major feature that has helped us improve in Zoho People is the employee management modules that we have. Under this module, we have the leave module, attendance module, time tracking module. Well, aside from streamlining our processes, it also helped us get more accurate data coming from employee management. These modules in Zoho People, it has our HR processing time up to 80 to 90%.
Another important application that we use is Zoho Connect. For operations and also for other departments, the Zoho Connects feature where we can post our policies announcement has been very helpful for everyone. Zoho Click has been a game changer to us, especially for the team's collaboration and communication, not just for chatting, but also for calling them for audio calls. We previously used Google Work Drive. We encountered difficulties and challenges because sometimes we cannot access our files offline, so we really needed to be connected with an internet for us to access. But when we use the Zoho Work Drive, it has been again a game changer for every one of us because we were able to access our file offline and we can collaborate more within our Zoho Work Drive application.
The benefits for Zoho One for Devtac have really focused on the customer experience. So in the last 6 months, with some changes we've made and how we verify leads and get them to a representative right away, we've won several deals. So for me, that's the biggest bonus.
So my experience with Zoho One has been awesome.
Efficient.
Reliable.
Seamless.
Out of the box.
Zoho One is Devtac's operating system for business.